Come back, and now we are here and we are trying to start taking the down of the car. You know, we try to take everything here, the cover, so we can go under and look for this antenna. First what we did is we take this gasket, you see, we take this thing out, you see, we push it like here, it's come out. Now if you see, this is the antenna, the winding, it have a winding of wire around it. In order for us to take this one, we have to move this cover, everything here. If there's any screw here, you see, like this screw here, and then if there's anything there like this one, okay, we have to take this cover out and then we take it from there. So I'm gonna bring the tools and then start pulling out those stuff. The part, we got it from the dealer. The part, we brought it from the dealer. This is a part number and this is a piece. So it have this, when it's go like this, it have a screw, add screw here in this place. So we have to go take those stuff out and move that screw, and then we install this one, and then we're gonna see the differences. If there is any aftermarket alarm, I'm gonna use this one because I like these tools, but don't let water get into it. Why? Because it can get rusty. Look here, it have a lot of options, but I like it. But just try not to leave it corroded, because I see that when it's corroded, it becomes something else. So I'm gonna take this one out and I will start moving those stuff. Maybe I'm gonna use 10 millimeter inside there to move some metal. And also, as I told you, I have aftermarket remote starter. That's the sign of it. If there's any remote starter, I will move it away. I take it away so that we don't have no problems. So we come back. I'm gonna move this one and the other one. And then I will try this. I'm using one phone. I'm using the phone with my one hand and try to lose this with my other hand. So I see I took two screw and then flip. Let me see if I can pull it over. Yeah. Yes. Now it's coming out. Pull it, be careful, because air condition sensor is sitting here too. You see here? No. Yeah. In this place here, some of them they have like a pipe. So now disconnect this wire. I'm gonna leave the phone here. You have to push here, and this one also you have to push this and pull it out. So now this is out. The next thing is I have to take this piece out. 10. One is here and one is here. And don't forget, you see here in the bottom we have aftermarket alarm. We're gonna disable it and we're gonna move it away. If there's any wire cut from here, we have to put those wire back. If there's any wire cut around here, we're gonna cut it, put it back and try. Maybe it will work fine. So I have these tools and I use 10. Guys, I just have my GoPro and I have to put everything together. Now, if you notice something here, it's very funny. You see this wire? If you notice something, this wire here, they cut and they made a bypass to this aftermarket alarm. This is a complete aftermarket alarm system that with bypass. So I don't want to start cutting them, but this wire I know that is going all the way to the antenna and come back. So the first thing you have to do is, you see here, get into that screw here. You see this screw here, and where is it? The first thing I have to get into this screw here and lose this screw. After I lose it, I'm gonna manage to take this. It's very tight. I'm gonna manage to take the antenna out, drop it in, fix those wires, and then we come back. Because as you see here, this is called a bypass wire. What you need to do, maybe I have just to disconnect the connector. If I'm able to disconnect it, and then put everything together back. So I'm gonna leave this and look for the solution. If I see something, I take it out. Now you see this wire, sometimes they bypass it, they add on, and that's one of the things that can create this problem. I'm gonna disconnect this, take this out, and I will put everything back, and then we'll put it and see if it's accepting it. If it's not, the second thing is to move this module. We have a screw here. We're gonna move that screw from here, move it up a little bit, take it out, put a new one and program it. But before you program, it's better to put everything back originally, and we test it too. Okay, what we're gonna do? Oh wow, that's beautiful. Let me open the ignition. Show you what happened. Now I see it's blinking 5 times, but I'm gonna show you with the video. Why I say that? Because I have to program both of them. So I'm gonna show you now. Back to mobile electronic diagnostic. This is the new sensor that I have it from the dealership. It's not expensive, but it's about $120. And here the sensor part number. As I told you before I do anything, I have to check the wire harness. Before you do anything, disconnect the alarm. If the alarm, aftermarket alarm, is connected into it. I came here, you see, this is a aftermarket alarm, and this 3 wire, one wire that going to the immobilized antenna is cut. One wire go inside, one wire go back to it, and this one is taped into it. So I disconnect everything here. And now I have 2 keys. I'm going to program it because this key is not starting. And then you're gonna see if everything is okay and this antenna here is good, the light will flash 5 times, and it will take all keys that you want to put. Every key, any key that you put in and you turn the ignition on, it will flash 5 times. So now I connect my connector here on the OBD2 as usually. See, this is OBD2 connector, 16 pin Toyota, Nissan. This is universal from 2006 and up. I'm gonna go now, turn this light off, turn it on. There is another video that I will show you how to disconnect the wire, but this is okay. I'm gonna go yes, accept, and then I will go to history. If you see 2006 Nissan, if you don't see it, I will do another one. Okay, 2006, no, it's not there. So I'm gonna go to Asian. I will get to Nissan here. Now we're gonna do what? I'm gonna turn the key off. I consider all keys are lost and see if I will be able to program the key newly. Select auto selection, it take like, he say turn hazard light on. Where is the hazard light switch? Yeah, it's disappear, or maybe it's here. Just give us some time to look. Where is the flash? Here, it's here. So I'm gonna put this on, and then okay, ignition is on. Sometime it doesn't require 3%. We're gonna wait. I ordered this one, as I show you, this one brand new. It's not because it is bad, but I don't want to open all this stuff here, and then the problem after that, the car may not start again, and then I have to take the car in and out. So I say, you know what, let me buy it, have it here, and then if it is, I will put it. But as a diagnostic, I consider it one of the diagnostic expenses, because it doesn't make sense to open it, wait another couple of days to get the part. So I ordered the part, and I just want to finish it. If it's working, okay. If it doesn't work, I can put it. But if it's working, I want to show you what the difference, what you need to see for 2006 and up. 2005, it doesn't flash 5 times. You know, like if the key is the older one. I'm gonna stop the hazard because believe me, it doesn't require. Now I have to have all the key with me. This key here and the second key there. So all the keys is going to be in my hand. One is in the ignition. This is a test for the immobilizer antenna. If it doesn't want to accept programming because aftermarket remote starter was taped into it. This one here is good. I'm gonna say okay. And then it will check it quick, and I say all key lost. All key lost. Say okay. Now what's gonna happen is it will program the key and will tell you turn the ignition. All the key will be erased. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. So okay. Now what's gonna happen is I will turn the key off. I turn the key off. Now if I turn the key on, that thing will flash 5 times. That means it's healthy, it's good. We don't need to replace it. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It flashed 5 times. I will turn it on. That means it's good. I will put the other one. I'm gonna turn the key and I will show you from the top here. Okay, where is it? Where is that? Okay, you're gonna see it if it's flashing. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So that's it. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key on. That's it. Program close. Car start. Have a check engine light on because of the crankshaft sensor circuit. Other than that, everything is good. The light never come back again as usual. You see, it's good. I'm gonna take this one out. Key is registered. What happened, what the problem is, aftermarket alarm create all this trouble for our car. So what I'm going to do is I will put everything back, arrange it, fix it, and case closed. This one is done. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris. See you in another video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we look for more videos. This problem apply for all 2005, 6, 7 range, whether it's Infiniti, Nissan, or anything that was a Nissan with those kind of module. Thank you for watching. Muhammad Idris, and see you in another video.